Enoch Mgijima, umasipala oseChris Hani District Municipality. Silapha eKomani, and I service areas uqala eZibileni, Ward 1 to 8, Ward 4. Those are my areas that I service mainly. So we are agents zikahulumende that is assisting people in agricultural needs. I joined the department last month. E-Workers Day is to commemorate the contribution that e-workers have towards the economy, their intelligence, and their sacrifices towards the workforce in South Africa. So that is a day to give them, especially to commemorate them and say, well done, we recognize you, siyanibona, and also to make sure baphetheke kakuhle na. So that involves unions zabo zisithi izani sinivise kamandi nalo suku lwenu, where we focus mainly on the workforce in South Africa, the engines of the economy in South Africa. So that's what I think of e-Workers Day. Amafama xa ndikhangela mna, they contact me ngokwenamba yam, okanye they come to the office amanye, which is very rare because most of the time siyangena apha ezilokishini siyaya sizazise nakoceba nakwizibonda, so ongakwaziyo uyahamba esibondeni sakhe okanye kuceba wakhe afumane iinamba zakho. We talk through various WhatsApp groups and they call and we call them, so ke basifumana kanjalo amafama.